So here we are on the Haas, and we're machining out a gusset out of a piece of aluminum. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take, so that's why I'm videoing. Or I could just be using a timer, but this is more fun. Okay, so start it, and should work out.
Man, that thing popped.
Yep. And want to pause. Looking good. You can see the machine code coming through on here while we're moving.
It seemed to go faster in the dry run.
No, not necessarily.
I know.
Hey, you're wrecking our karma, Jacob. Should be done with this hole fairly soon.
Is the sacrificial shim thick enough?
There we go. Yeah.
It's gonna be a long video. Take the whole time.
Oh, it won't be that long. Let's do something interesting. Here's the whole lab. Jacob setting up another Haas.
Like a boss.
Like a boss. Almost done with this hole. We can check it when it comes back up.
Where's that grinding coming from?
Just the machine. Okay, I'm gonna check it and lubricate it. Hot stuff.
That's all wet.
Why, thank you. Not entirely necessary because it has a sapphire lens on it.
Yeah.
Get it in the... Oh, you really need it in the holes, I guess.
What? I'm sorry.
Okay. Looks good. That big X on there is for centering. Now it's doing the profile cut, the exterior cutting.
And cleared.
Told ya. Pay up.
I don't carry cash.
Nor do I. I have a Square Reader though. And we don't need to lubricate that right now.
We can do it like every 2 or 3.
Dude, that's slow.
Yeah, every other pass. Let's get lube inside the crash.
Yeah, make sure it's getting inside the crack.
What's going on another one?
It is smart that they have you cut down 0.1 mil.
So much smoother than the Micro K. Okay, let's lube this thing up.
Air.
Get a, yeah. That should be good. Fun stuff.
Two hours of fun.
Yes. No, it's been longer than that. Been in here since 4. What time is it now?
About 7. Alright, 6:40. I think.
Collect all this aluminum and make thermite.
Keep going.
Yeah, let's go.
Lube it.
Move it?
Lube it.
Okay.
That's good.
This would have been so much nicer for robotics.
What you use in robotics?
Manual mills.
Oh, so like.
Or Dremels.
You mean you had to control it yourself?
Yes.
Oof.
Which is sad because we already had a CAD file that we were working off of, and we just had to keep looking at the CAD file to see where to go instead of generating
That's ridiculous.
CAD. Yeah.
Human-aided design.
Yes. Human-aided manufacturing. Computer-aided drafting, human-aided manufacturing.
Ham.
Yes. CAD ham.
Lube it.
Lube it. But that aluminum's getting hot. And we're at 1386 out of 2000 something.
See there, the purple is the code that is already done. This is kind of self-explanatory. Lots of controls. You have to go what?
I have to go look at some decodes
Sure.
for those other people. Just make sure you lube it every time.
That's gonna be loud when I put this back.
Joe gets in the way.
That's good.
Come along nicely.
Door is open.
There we go.
You pushed that before you had it closed.
It's only going down 0.01 inch, but somehow it finds new material to cut.
Well, of course.
Yeah, but
0.1 inch material.
it's so tiny though.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, of course it does, but it's pretty cool.
That's been 10 minutes.
So many of these.
If you guys start seeing plastic in there,
Stop it. Yeah.
well, don't stop it.
Oh.
But just be aware that it might chip or it might fly out as it gets weaker.
Okay.
As it gets thinner, there's less.
I think our shim is
resistance.
made of wood.
Yep.
The what?
Our sacrificial shim is made of wood.
It's wood?
No, it's not.
No,
It's
it's
acrylic.
What is it made of?
Acrylic. Or polycarbonate, probably.
It felt like wood.
No. Definitely not.
It felt like cardboard made of wood.
Nope.
I really don't know what it is.
It's a bunch of chlorine.
What's it?
What happened?
Jog it up.
Yeah.
The tool popped out.
Oh.
And then
Oh, the gusset popped out?
yeah.
Cool. I didn't even see that. Have to watch the replay.
It went boom. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's go.
Coming up very slowly. And faster.
See how it turned out. There. I'll blow it off first.
No, you're sweet. Wash my fingers for me.
Yep. Wait, watch. Stop.
Because it's going to kill fire.
Oh, yeah, hold on to it.
So, there we go. All cut out. Okay, I think I can stop this video now.
Yep.
Goodbye.